It is 3:35 a.m.
So let's see how this works. Oh, this is great. Look at this. We can vlog it with this now. Yeah, today we're gonna go to LA to film a client, Maya, for the OBA, Online Ballet Academy. And this is where we start.
It's 3:42 a.m. We're gonna make 25 pieces of content in less than 24 hours.
Look at that, bro.
Wait, what the hell happened? I skipped everything.
5:30, dead tired. So it looks like the bag that we checked in went all the way back to Maryland, or is supposed to go back. Right now the staff is trying to remove the bag from the process so that we can get the tripods and stuff like that that was checked in. So we'll see how it goes. It sucks. Just follow the crowd, right? Not to get hit.
Baby, tell me to go. Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Daisy.
Daisy who?
They see me rolling, they hating.
There's quite a generalized idea for the dancer. The dancer who already has been trained very well and has everything set in place. Do this 10 times a day. And I'll show you just how to do that. I guess I'm showing them just how to do it. Just like this. A generalized idea in terms of what dancers need to work on in order to improve their pirouettes, in order to improve their jumps. Since working with Josh and Isaac, they've really helped me feel like I can just have these all these ideas and then just give it over to them and they'll turn it into something that finally matches the vision that I have in my head. And I think that's something a lot of creatives struggle with. They really understand me as a person, which is really important. And what I really liked was their slogan, human first, marketer second. And that straight away for me was like, oh, great. I finally found someone who is gonna put the human element of life first before then taking the marketing approach. They are the reason why we've been able to really grow as a brand and really solidify our voice as a brand. And I really, really appreciate that. And it's changed everything for me. So thanks, Coles.
There they go, there they go, there they go.
You rockin' with the blue gang, they came to shoot they coat. Tase the fools and use they votes. You stain soaked through folks' clothes. You throw blows, leave a dude face broke, or make a fool race.
We haven't even boarded the plane yet.
Like Usain Bolt, then you stay broke. But they won't shut up and yield. They suffering for something that's real. Getting shot on the field, shouting the names of lives that the government's killed. They fighting with